Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we recently completed our video editing course in which I teach you how to edit videos through CapCut and how easy CapCut is and how it is very easy and handy to use, and that's why we choose CapCut for video editing. So now I plan that I made 5 to 7 videos on how you can sell services of video editing on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, but we will choose Fiverr. You can apply the same strategy on other freelancing platforms. So in today's video I will teach you about how you can how you can earn money by selling services of vlog editing. So as you know, vlog editing is now very hot service and you can earn good amount of money through vlog editing. So here I currency USD, and now I search for vlog editing, and let's see how many people are providing the service. And as you can see, only 1800 people are providing this service. This means that it is very low competition. And let's see, I will edit for your vlogs for your YouTube channel. Okay, I open his gig and vlogs, ads, promo, etc. I open this gig. So let's analyze his gig and let's see is so he got 66 5-star reviews, means he got almost 20 orders, and his least order is of $35. So in basic package he includes making basic cuts, transitions, adding music and basic titles, etc. Up to 30 minutes of photos provided, up to 3 minutes running time, color grading, sound design, mixing, motion graphics. Okay, in standard he charged $65 and 60 minutes of footage provided, and that's great. After that, in premium he charged $95 and includes cut, transition, music, sound design, titles, motion graphics, color grade. And you can also check out his gig and his promo videos, and you can also check out his gig and take an idea, but do not copy his gig. So let's move towards our second gig, which is which got 5.9 5-star reviews, 4.9 star reviews means, and 17 orders in queue, and I think he complete almost $1,500. And in basic he charged $30, standard $70, and premium $100. So in this way you can analyze that there is a demand of vlog editing. So this is a skill you can earn money. In next video I will teach you about another skill. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and learn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.